you keep repeating the same mistakes and you can't seem to get off this vicious cycle. I think it's because you're not keeping a journal, my friend. Today, I'm going to talk about it. Hi, my name is Jamison, and on this channel, I'm going to be explaining some of the myths and facts about trading. So today, we're going to be talking about journaling. Some people think it's not important or it's a waste of time, but I guarantee you, if you start journaling your trading, it's going to take your trading to the next level. Do you want to learn? All you have to do, watch this video to the end. By the end, you're going to get two things. Number one, you're going to get the best online journal available for traders. Yes, you get it. And you're also going to get an AI-powered trading bot that will help you improve your trade. Let's go. Okay, so let's get into it. So let's start. I'm using a simple setup, custom MI and SuperTrend, which shows the market's direction. So green means upward trend, switching to red signals is a downtrend, and super simple. The MA acts as a signal provider here. So we watch it and we note that the lines bounces off, like in some of these areas here that I'll highlight. There's a bounce upward from the MA and super trend is green. We enter a long position. If it's red, the logic is, reversed. So here we have a breakthrough here. It's coming from the MA from below, and that's the valid entry point, which triggered the entire upwards move. So let's get it. Then we have the indicators that signaled a shift in the downtrend, which we are seeing now. Let me show you. We catch similar downtrend bounces like this here, for example, and we're going to take the money. This way, we always have, a full picture. Super trend sets the tone while MA bounces off, and breakouts define the entry points. All we do now is we need to just prove that the system works in practice. Let's look for our first trade. Let's go. Okay, so we're entering the market right away, my friends. It's a long trade and we've got a pullback with MA green and super trend. Based on the indicators here, it's logical to expect the price increase right now. I think we can even open multiple trades. Let's see what we do here. So while we wait for an expiration, let's talk about the most boring aspect of trading, the trading journal. Everyone knows it's important to, keep a few and have one that you write everything in. In reality, this tool is mostly used by professionals. Yes, professionals use trading journals. They actually record their trades in writing with reasons for entries and results. That's how you get much better. So why do you need this? Simple. Your post-trade analysis, that's the whole point of your trading journal. You write it down for yourself so that you can review and reflect later on when you've traded. So okay, the first trade is done. I'm staying in the same spot because this chart shows strong growth potential. Let's see what we can do here. So wait for about 10 seconds and then we are going to re-enter. So, oh yes, price level is stable and the indicators point to growth. So we're back in position. I want to add extra commentary on the signal. Nothing has changed. Let's keep discussing the journal. So basically, it's just an archive of your trading history. It can be very detailed, even describing your emotions when you went into trade or after or before, or you can be quite brief, short of how your trading went and all that. So it depends on you. Everything is dependent on you, the user. So the key elements that every journal must be time, price level, entry reason, and your outcome from said trade. This gives you like a basic overview of your past trades. So it's very simple. And I have something to tell you. If you want more insight and you want to go deeper on the knowledge of all this, everything ties back to, like your final results and how it all works out for you. So give it a try. So let's wait. Oh, wow. I'm in profit again. Let's make another winning trade. I'm confident this will go well. Okay, now it's time to show you guys a cool trick I recently started using thanks to my journal. And I'm going to show it to you now. So I've entered the market and immediately switched to a higher time frame. How about that? So a totally different picture, right? Strong upwards movement. So it turns out we have a powerful uptrend here. Larger time frames always reveal more. So work with higher time frames, guys. So here's how I figured it out. I used to trade only on the 1 minute chart and started noticing more losing trades. After digging into it, I realized that I needed to check higher time frames more often. So my own trades in the journal showed this. In almost every losing trade, I was going against the larger trend. So yeah, I was trying to fight it and I was losing that battle. And that's just my example. You definitely have your own. Trade has been closed successfully here. We've made some profits. Let's switch chart and keep going. Okay, so it's perfect. We're entering a long trade again, and this time it's a special case. Let me show you first. We had a breakthrough in the MA, and the price have we seen here, it has shifted into the green super trend. These signals are riskier and low quality, but they are still usable. We just wait for expiration and continue discussing the journal. We're not in the 1980s anymore, and of course there's no need to write by hand. I have my journal here on my devices, so you don't need to do that. Any modern trading journal is basically a digital chart where you can easily input data, change cell colors, and adjust column width. If you want a solid beginner journal friendly program, all you need to do is send a message to me on my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. Send to me and I'll help you right away. So I'm available. You can reach out to me anytime. I'm always there for you. So all right, and boom, here we have it, another trade win, and trade is closed. Time to switch charts. Let's go. So here I'm going to tell you something here. It's my journal. It's amazing. So to become a successful trader, a beginner, you absolutely have to have a journal that you can document everything you want to do. There is no other way for this to work out for you. Otherwise, you just keep losing money. So you have to understand why. But in today's world, more and more tools are emerging that help you start earning quickly. And one of them is an AI-powered assistant. Just imagine you don't have to sit in front of a monitor for hours, hunting for signals. Oh my God, I can't find it. Where is it? But this software does it all for you. It's very straight to the point. Or it tracks your charts. It tells you when you're about to enter a trade. It tells you when you're late. It tells you when you're early. It's amazing. All you need to do is sit down, collect your profits. Can you picture it? It's very easy. Do you want one? Also very easy. Well, now it's real. My team and I have developed an app like this. It runs on artificial intelligence. You can get it through my Telegram channel. Subscribe via the link in the description. Message me, I want the software, and I'll send you instructions on how to connect it for absolutely free. This way you have a complete starter kit and begin to earn quickly. See you on Telegram. Click the link in the description below. Let's continue. So here's the textbook case, friends. We're entering a long trade. It's clear the upward slope is going and the local uptrend. So another price coincides with a bounce off the MA, and the super trend is green. So while we wait for an expiration, let's keep discussing our topic. Many beginners think the journal is only useful early, but that is absolutely not true. It is good for everybody, even for pros. So the journal is, a psychological shield for pros, a way to, keep emotions in check. When opening a trade, the trader already knows they will log it, including entry, the reason and justification for making that trade. So yeah, that's how you have it. So in that mindset, you can just you can't actively go out seeking losses or trade because I feel like it will go up. Trading doesn't work like that. The journal forces you to be more responsible and subjective with your decisions, objective, and every move you make impacts your own trading balance, so you have to be better and be careful with it. It's been working great for me, and I've been using this for some time now, and it's amazing. And let's get back to the trade. Oh wow, another trade is closed and done. I'm getting ready to open another one on the same chart. So let's not waste any time. I'm expecting another upward move within the rising structure. Okay, let's see what we have here. By the way, here's another thought about using a journal. It's a great space for testing and comparison. So yeah, get that in, write that down somewhere. So trading using one method, then changing parameters or entire strategy, to compare results, it's amazing because when you have your journal, you can I did this, I did that, I did this, I did that. You can also detect how clearly you understood the system, how easy it was for you to enter, and whenever you had doubts during the trade. So this way you're selecting the most optimal, profitable, and most comfortable trading styles. So you can test different time frames, expiration times, entire systems, or individual currency pairs because you have this. The key for this is to record everything you do in your journal. Visit later and see how your own results compare. Okay, profit. And I've just wrapped up, guys. Now let's start from scratch. As promised, I'll show you how to set up all the indicators. Okay, now let's add our algorithms. We need MA and SuperTrend. Let's start with SuperTrend. You only need to tweak one parameter, set the ATI period to 11, and that is crucial. So you get what done here. So now let's configure the MA. Today I traded specifically using the MA. I made it white and bold so that it stands out better on the charts. TMA is another smoother one, and it moves in clear waves, which fit our strategy perfectly. Overall, everything is ready to go. Feel free to replicate and take action. All right, now, so I've given you guys something special here. You've gotten a solid trading strategy with using moving averages. Yes, that's what MA means, and I'm just looking at it here and it's amazing. So it's time for you to test out the action and see how it goes, how it works out for you. If you need more tips and you want to get better at this, all you need to do, send me a message on Telegram. I'll be there for you. It's one love, guys. I want you guys to like, share, subscribe, comment on this video, and let's grow this channel together. Let's keep trading, and I'll see you guys in the next one.